This battery tray was rusty and deteriorating. Here's how we went from this to this. If your battery tray is rusted from battery acid, moisture, or road salt, don't assume it needs to be replaced. In many cases, you can restore it and protect it from future corrosion with the proper preparation and the right coating system. Today, we'll show you how with the KBS Coating System Sampler Kit. The key to a long-lasting battery tray restoration isn't simply painting over the rust. It's neutralizing the acid, removing corrosion, properly preparing the metal, and sealing it with a coating that resists battery acid and moisture. Step 1. Remove the battery and tray. Whenever possible, remove the battery tray from the vehicle. This gives you complete access to all surfaces, especially underneath the tray, where corrosion often develops first. The battery tray in the vehicle used for our presentation was not removable, so we're doing the restoration within the vehicle. Step 2. Inspect the battery tray. A rusted battery tray can often be repaired if corrosion is addressed before the metal loses structural integrity. Inspect the tray to determine whether repair or replacement is needed. Step 3. Neutralize battery acid. Before removing rust, neutralize any battery acid with a solution of 1 tablespoon baking soda mixed with 1 cup of water. This is done because acid can continue attacking the metal and cause new coatings to fail. Bubbling indicates the baking soda is neutralizing battery acid. Once it stops, rinse with clean water and dry the area completely. Step 4. Remove rust. Remove loose rust, failed paint, and corrosion. You can use a wire wheel, 320 grit sandpaper, or sandblasting. Don't forget the corners, seams, and other hard to reach areas where corrosion can continue to grow after the visible rust has been removed. Step 5. Clean the surface. Once loose rust has been removed, the tray needs to be thoroughly cleaned with KBS Clean, which removes grease, grime, and other contaminants without leaving residue that could hurt adhesion. Mix KBS Clean with hot water, scrub the surface with a sponge, brush, or Scotch-Brite pad, then rinse thoroughly and dry completely. Step 6. Condition the metal. Once the surface is clean, the next step is treating the metal using Rust Blast, which helps neutralize remaining oxidation while etching the surface for strong adhesion of RustSeal. An advantage of the KBS system is that RustSeal can be applied directly over light surface rust that's been treated with Rust Blast. Spray Rust Blast onto the bare metal and rusted areas and keep the surface wet for roughly 30 minutes and up to 2 hours depending on rust severity. During this time, periodically scrub using a Scotch-Brite pad to help break up contamination. Then rinse with water and dry thoroughly. You'll notice a light whitish zinc phosphate coating remaining on the surface. Leave it in place as it prevents flash rust and improves coating performance. Step 7. Apply RustSeal. With the surface properly prepared, it's time to apply RustSeal, a battery acid resistant, single component, moisture cured urethane coating engineered for long-term corrosion protection. RustSeal is formulated to be hard yet flexible, to resist cracking, chipping, peeling, and abrasion, and it's available in 11 colors. The coating can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed in self-levels to a smooth finish. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats rather than 1 thick coat. Thin coats promote proper curing for better coating performance and appearance. Allow each coat to become dry to the touch before applying the next. Make sure you have complete coverage, especially around corners, seams, mounting points, and underneath the tray. After application, allow approximately 7 days for full cure before reinstalling the battery. If you're restoring a battery tray, the secret to long-lasting results isn't simply covering up the rust. It's neutralizing battery acid, removing corrosion, properly preparing the metal, and applying a coating designed to withstand the harsh environment beneath the hood. When each step is done correctly, you can restore the original tray, prevent rust from returning, and help protect your battery and surrounding engine compartment for years to come. If you'd like detailed instructions for products using this project, or to see additional rust repair and restoration videos, visit kbscoatings.com. KBS Coatings products are proudly made in the USA.